Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the praise and worship song, Who You Say I Am. Very easy song to learn. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar Tabs that you can download the link and chord chart to this song and print that out and follow along as we learn this song together. So let's get started. Who the sun sets free, oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God, yes I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God, yes I am. Okay, that was the chorus to Who You Say I Am. A very easy song, just very few chords to learn in order to play this song. The chords used on this song is G major. That's the key that I'm playing the song in, and if it's too low, you can put the capo on the first or second frets and raise up the pitch on this song. Okay, so I'm using G major, E minor, D major, and then C major, and then later on I'll be using D over F sharp. Okay, that makes up all the chords used to play this song. Okay, let's take a quick look at how to play each chord. G major is played by placing the first finger on the string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string of the 3rd fret, and then your 4th finger or little finger placed on the very 1st string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. This is G major. Okay, then to play E minor, you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, strum all strings, E minor. Okay, to play D major, place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then you strum the bottom 4 strings, or you can do the bottom 5 strings. D major. Okay, to play D major over F sharp, which we'll use just a couple times, if you can, just wrap your thumb over and gently press down on the very top 6th string on the 2nd fret with your thumb, and then you can strum all strings. This is D over F sharp. Okay, if you can't play that, then just simply play the D major chord, and that'll sound just as good. Okay, that's all the chords used to play this song. Okay, looking at the strumming pattern, the song is in 6/8 time. There's 6 1/8 notes per measure, so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, down. Okay, let's look at the chord progression for the verse. Starting off in G. Who am I that the highest King would welcome me? I was lost, but He brought me in. Oh, His love for me. Oh, His love for me. Okay, I hold out the C a little bit before going to the chorus, or you can go directly into the chorus. Okay, let's look at that again, starting with the G. Who am I that the highest King you could just do downstrokes on each one of those syllables. Welcome, then go back into the rhythm, or you can just continue the rhythm there. Who am I that the highest King would welcome me? Second part, I was lost, but He brought me in. Oh, His love for me. Oh, His love for me. Okay, if you notice on the first line, welcome me, it's E minor D to G, and then the other two times it's E minor D, and then going into the C major chord. Okay, so let's play this first verse one more time. Who am I that the highest King would welcome me? I was lost, but He brought me in. Oh, His love for me. Oh, His love for me. Okay, then it goes right into the chorus. Okay. So let's look at the chord progression for the chorus, okay? Okay. Who the Son set free, oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God, yes I am. In my Father's house, there's a place for me. I'm a child of God, yes I am. Okay, let's play through that one more time, okay? Who the G major, D major, E minor, D, C, yes I, G major, G major, D major, E minor, D, C, G. So then it goes right into the bridge, into E minor, okay? And this is where we also play the D over F sharp if you can, okay? So it goes, I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. I am who you say I am. Then it goes right into the chorus again, okay? So if we look at the chords again on the bridge, I am chosen, not forsaken. I am who you say I am. You are for me, not against me. I am who you say I am. I am who you say I am. Okay, then it goes right into the chorus. Okay, who the Son sets free, oh, is free indeed. I'm a child of God, yes I am. In my Father's house is a place for me. I'm a child of God, yes I am. Okay, this is a very easy song to learn, very beautiful song, Who You Say I Am. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I'd appreciate it very much, all the feedback that you can give me. If you're not a current subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all you guys that currently subscribe and support my channel as well. Thanks for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.